साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वप्रचोदयात्। ॐ साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वप्रचोदयात्। ॐ साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वप्रचोदयात्। प्रथम वंदना गौरी नंदना, प्रथम वंदना गौरी नंदना, हे शिवनंदन पाहि गजानन,
हे शिवनंदन पाहि गजानन,
हे शिवनंदन पाहि गजानन,
हे शिवनंदन पाहि गजानन,
प्रथम वंदना गौरी नंदना,
प्रथम वंदना गौरी नंदन,
एकदंत गुणवंत विनायक,
एकदंत गुणवंत विनायक,
एकदंत गुणवंत विनायक,
एकदंत गुणवंत विनायक,
विघ्नहरण शुभमंगल चरण,
विघ्नहरण शुभमंगल चरण,
विघ्नहरण शुभमंगल चरण,
विघ्नहरण शुभमंगल चरण,
प्रणव स्वरूपा पाहि गजानन,
प्रणव स्वरूपा पाहि गजानन,
प्रणव स्वरूपा पाहि गजानन,
प्रणव स्वरूपा पाहि गजानन,
प्रथम वंदना गौरी नंदना,
वंदना गौरी नंदन,
हे शिवनंदन पाहि गजानन,
हे शिवनंदन पाहि गजानन,
प्रथम वंदना गौरी नंदन,
प्रथम वंदना गौरी नंदन,
एकदंत गुणवंत विनायक,
एकदंत गुणवंत विनायक,
विघ्नहरण शुभमंगल चरण,
विघ्नहरण शुभमंगल चरण,
प्रणव स्वरूपा पाहि गजानन,
प्रणव स्वरूपा पाहि गजानन,
प्रणव स्वरूपा पाहि गजानन,
प्रणव स्वरूपा
विनती सुनो मेरे साईं भगवान,
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 दया करो 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 मेरे साईं भगवान।
भक्त जनों के तुम हो प्राण,
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 दीन दयाला करुणा निधान,
दीन दयाला करुणा निधान,
दीन दयाला करुणा निधान,
दीन दयाला करुणा निधान,
त्रिभुवन पाला साधु परित्राण,
त्रिभुवन पाला साधु परित्राण,
त्रिभुवन पाला साधु परित्राण,
त्रिभुवन पाला साधु परित्राण,
विनती सुनो मेरे साईं भगवान,
विनती सुनो मेरे साईं भगवान,
दया करो मेरे साईं भगवान,
दया करो मेरे साईं भगवान,
भक्त जनों के तुम हो प्राण,
भक्त जनों के तुम हो प्राण,
दीन दयाला करुणा निधान,
दीन दयाला करुणा निधान,
त्रिभुवन पाला साधु परित्राण,
त्रिभुवन पाला साधु परित्राण,
त्रिभुवन पाला साधु परित्राण,
त्रिभुवन पाला साधु परित्राण,
विनती सुनो मेरे साईं भगवान। ईश्वर अल्लाह एक तुम ही हो, करुणा सिंधु सबका मालिक साईं भगवान। ईश्वर अल्लाह एक तुम ही हो,
ईश्वर अल्लाह एक तुम ही हो,
ईश्वर अल्लाह एक तुम ही हो,
ईश्वर अल्लाह एक
सहारे।
जनों के जीवन सहारे,
भक्त जनों के जीवन सहारे। सागर दयाभिरा,
करुणा सागर दयाभिरा,
करुणा सागर दयाभिरा,
करुणा सागर दयाभिरा।
ईश्वर अल्लाह एक तुम्ही हो,
ईश्वर
सहारे।
जनों के जीवन सहारे,
भक्त जनों के जीवन सहारे,
भक्त जनों के जीवन सहारे।
दया करो भगवान,
दया करो भगवान,
मुझे कृपा सागर दयाभिरा,
करुणा सागर दयाभिरा,
करुणा सागर दयाभिरा,
करुणा सागर दयाभिरा।
ईश्वर अल्लाह एक तुम्ही हो।
जीवन ज्योति तुम हो साई,
जीवन ज्योति तुम हो साई,
जीवन ज्योति तुम हो साई,
जीवन ज्योति तुम हो साई।
प्रेम की ज्योत जलाओ साई, प्रेम की ज्योत जलाओ,
प्रेम की ज्योत जलाओ साई, प्रेम की ज्योत जलाओ,
प्रेम की ज्योत जलाओ साई, प्रेम की ज्योत जलाओ,
प्रेम की ज्योत जलाओ साई, प्रेम की ज्योत जलाओ।
जीवन के इन अंधियारों में साई दीप जलाओ, अंधियारों में साई दीप जलाओ।
जीवन के इन अंधियारों में साई दीप जलाओ।
साई दीप जलाओ, सत्य 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 साई दीप जलाओ।
प्रेम की ज्योत जलाओ, साई प्रेम की ज्योत जलाओ।
प्रेम की ज्योत जलाओ, साई प्रेम की ज्योत जलाओ।
प्रेम की ज्योत जलाओ, साई प्रेम की ज्योत जलाओ।
प्रेम की ज्योत जलाओ, साई प्रेम की ज्योत जलाओ।
जीवन ज्योति तुम हो साई,
जीवन ज्योति तुम हो साई।
प्रेम की ज्योत जलाओ, साई प्रेम की ज्योत जलाओ।
प्रेम की ज्योत जलाओ, साई प्रेम की ज्योत जलाओ।
जीवन के इन अंधियारों में साई दीप जलाओ।
जीवन के इन अंधियारों में साई दीप जलाओ।
साई दीप जलाओ, सत्य साई दीप जलाओ।
साई दीप जलाओ, सत्य साई दीप जलाओ।
प्रेम की ज्योत जलाओ, साई प्रेम की ज्योत जलाओ।
प्रेम की ज्योत जलाओ, साई प्रेम की ज्योत जलाओ।
प्रेम की ज्योत जलाओ, साई प्रेम की ज्योत जलाओ।
प्रेम की ज्योत जलाओ, साई प्रेम की ज्योत जलाओ।
जीवन ज्योति तुम हो साई।
साई राम घनश्याम भगवान तुम्हारा नाम। साई राम घनश्याम भगवान तुम्हारा नाम। साई राम घनश्याम भगवान
कोई नहीं रखवाले,
तुम बिन 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 कोई नहीं आपत सहारे,
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 तुम बिन प्रेम कोई नहीं देने वाले,
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 तुम हो मेरे आत्मा राम बाबा,
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 भगवान तुम्हारा नाम,
भगवान तुम्हारा नाम,
साई राम तुम्हारा नाम,
साई राम तुम्हारा नाम,
साई राम घनश्याम भगवान तुम्हारा नाम,
साई राम घनश्याम भगवान तुम्हारा नाम,
तुम बिन कोई नहीं रखवाले,
तुम बिन कोई नहीं रखवाले,
तुम बिन कोई नहीं आपत सहारे,
तुम बिन कोई नहीं आपत सहारे,
तुम बिन प्रेम कोई नहीं देने वाले,
तुम बिन प्रेम कोई नहीं देने वाले,
तुम हो मेरे आत्मा राम बाबा,
तुम हो मेरे आत्मा राम बाबा,
भगवान तुम्हारा नाम,
भगवान तुम्हारा नाम,
साई राम तुम्हारा नाम,
साई राम तुम्हारा नाम,
साई राम घनश्याम भगवान तुम्हारा नाम। तुम हो दाता साई शंकर,
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 हमको दीजो आनंद बाबा,
हमको
तुम हो दाता साई शंकर।
हे अनाथ नाथ साई तुम हो अंतर्यामी।
अनाथ नाथ साई तुम हो अंतर्यामी।
हे अनाथ नाथ साई तुम हो अंतर्यामी।
अनाथ नाथ साई तुम हो अंतर्यामी।
तुम हो मेरे भगवान।
तुम हो मेरे भगवान।
तुम हो मेरे भगवान।
तुम हो मेरे भगवान।
दिन दुख भंजन सहारा दो मुझे।
भंजन सहारा दो मुझे।
दिन दुख भंजन सहारा दो मुझे।
दुख भंजन सहारा दो मुझे।
ओ मेरे साई भगवान।
ओ मेरे साई भगवान।
ओ मेरे साई भगवान।
ओ मेरे साई भगवान।
हृदय मंदिर में आओ साई मेरे।
मंदिर में आओ साई मेरे।
हृदय मंदिर में आओ साई मेरे।
मंदिर में आओ साई मेरे।
दीजो कृपा वरदान।
दीजो कृपा वरदान।
दीजो कृपा वरदान।
दीजो कृपा वरदान।
तुम हो मेरे भगवान।
तुम हो मेरे भगवान।
तुम हो मेरे भगवान।
तुम हो मेरे भगवान।
हे अनाथ नाथ साई तुम हो अंतर्यामी।
अनाथ नाथ साई तुम हो अंतर्यामी।
तुम हो मेरे भगवान।
तुम हो मेरे भगवान।
दिन दुख भंजन सहारा दो मुझे।
दुख भंजन सहारा दो मुझे।
ओ मेरे साई भगवान।
ओ मेरे साई भगवान।
हृदय मंदिर में आओ साई मेरे।
मंदिर में आओ साई मेरे।
दीजो कृपा वरदान।
दीजो कृपा वरदान।
तुम हो मेरे भगवान।
हो मेरे भगवान।
तुम हो
भगवान,
तुम हो मेरे भगवान।
हे अनाथ नाथ साई, तुम हो अंतर्यामी।
गोविंद कृष्ण जय गोपाल कृष्ण जय गोपाल बाल बाल राधा कृष्ण जय
गोविंद कृष्ण जय गोपाल
गोविंद कृष्ण जय गोपाल कृष्ण जय गोपाल बाल बाल राधा कृष्ण जय कृष्ण जय कृष्ण जय कृष्ण जय कृष्ण 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 जय कृष्ण जय कृष्ण जय कृष्ण जय कृष्ण 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 जय गोपिकमाल हारी प्यारी माई मीर मदन मोहन मुरलीधर कृष्ण जय गोपिकमाल हारी प्यारी माई मीर मन विहार मदन मोहन मुरलीधर कृष्ण जय कृष्ण जय कृष्ण जय कृष्ण जय कृष्ण 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 जय कृष्ण जय राम कृष्ण जय राधा कृष्ण जय बाल कृष्ण 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 जय कृष्ण जय कृष्ण जय कृष्ण जय कृष्ण 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 जय गोविंद कृष्ण जय गोपाल कृष्ण जय गोपाल बाल बाल कृष्ण जय गोविंद कृष्ण जय गोपाल कृष्ण जय गोपाल बाल
Welcome to the conclave, Dr. Professor Hemlata ma'am. Having heard so much about your work, I take immense pride in talking to you today.
I feel quite privileged sitting before you all devotees because I am not a devotee to that extent where you can chant so nicely. Even a single chant, I can't do it properly. But in front of all of you, I am very much overwhelmed to be a part within you all and to say something little bit about those things which I am dealing in my day-to-day life with those patients, which is of much of public health importance. I'm just trying to carry on this platform with those type of problems which you might be also facing at your locality or in your privileges where you can be also a missionary to impart what exactly we want to do for these patients. So because it is a patient-oriented service, and next I will also talk about the public health importance. So by profession for me, it was like what I wished in my life, only these two things. One is a doctor, and second, as an woman, I will be a good mother, a good daughter, a good sister, and finally the part of a doctor as well as a mother to all my patients. So it is somewhere or rather, I will tell you, it was not beyond my expectation what I was thinking, whether I will be a pathologist, whether I will be a hematologist, or what I will be. It was none of my plan. And I just think it is the Almighty who has been planning for me and has been designing my career. Because when I became a doctor, because prior getting into this medical line, I was asking to myself, why do I want to be a doctor? And my answer was nothing. Just, it is like I want to be a doctor. That's all. And that was somewhere or rather I will tell you, it was in Zid jise bolte hain. It was something like that. I want to be a doctor. That's all. And when I became a doctor, then second question arose, why I want and what I want to be. There was no answer to this because my ambitions were not like that what exactly I can serve and how I can serve. Because all doctors, what they do, I have been seeing and I know that what they do. But my service meaning was, I don't know, I was not able to define my service. So maybe that was the plus point for me, that I was not able to define as a doctor what I will do.
Thank you so much, ma'am. So that is probably, you would put it that it was Bhagwan's way of bringing you into this. That was the most humble and loving way to put it. I'll move on, ma'am. Odisha, as we all know, one of the top states in India, where thalassemia and sickle cell are plenty in number, quite high as compared to the other states of India. Let my sisters here know that ma'am travels all alone, village to village, district to district in the state of Odisha, counseling and screening these patients. What are the thoughts which helps you do this with so much passion, ma'am? What inspires you to do this seva work with so much passion?
Okay, thank you, Abhipsha. But the day she was getting into this question, because this question was given to me earlier also, and it was very difficult for me to answer this. Because was it really passion? When I cannot define my ambitions, how can I define this was my passion? So, to be very frank, yesterday also I was traveling in train. Why I traveled in train? There is a logic behind it. I never get free time. When I don't get free time, that was the most leisure time. I was enjoying my journey and I was thinking about this question, what to answer. And please pardon me if I will be telling you the same thing what I happen to write. And please forgive me for that. Why I started doing this job? Because I never got time to think about it. Now I will tell you what exactly, because I had to ponder my mind to find out what will be the answer. Why did I get into it? There was a big gap between patient and guardians understanding about the disease, number one. Number two, there was the lapse in the system where they were unaware about the needs of this patient. Suppose patient pool is there, patients are suffering, but we exactly are still yet to stop and think once that what is their need and how to cater them a systematic way of approach to these patients. That is why it was the way I stepped out. Bringing out, I thought the easiest way of the thing is to first bring up the awareness not only within the patient population, but at the same time, I also need to know that what is happening with these patients at their level, how they are managing their problem at their home, at hospital, at different places. And I exactly came, wherever I go to these villages or districts, I first try to survey how many patients are there, what are the medical facilities they are getting, what are the shortcomings in their place, and then I plan my things that in this way I have to tackle the population or the mass population, and then what is my need. Those things I just plan out, and then I start my camp service in particular places. So my duty gradually changed into responsibility, because the number of time you go for camp, you see the patients, you understand their pain and sufferings, and finally that was my duty. Even I would have done the same thing in my hospital, but coming to them was another part of the things which was above getting into just sitting in a AC room in a hospital and seeing the patient, those who come to you, but stepping out of your place and getting them closer to their place, whatever, because these patients cannot afford to come to big hospital or tertiary hospitals, but there should be some bridge where the local and the public part of the things, the way they are getting their service, above that, if a tertiary hospital can provide some more facilities, those can be also communicated to the patients so that they can come and get the facility when they need those type of facilities which are not available at their level. So I kept on fulfilling my responsibilities through this camp, and gradually it took the form of passion. And that is the answer to your question.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Profession to passion, huh? Nice way of putting it, ma'am. As you told, ma'am, that these genetic blood diseases need more awareness in the coming times, naturally. As a loving and caring warrior against these public health diseases, which you have surely taken up as a yagya, as we all can see, how do you plan to integrate Sri Satya Sai Seva Organizations India with your future plans? Maybe to expand your field of work beyond the boundaries of Odisha, which you have already started, ma'am. You have told me about some instances which you have already started. So please elaborate on that.
Okay, so now I will tell you, when I started my journey, gradually the things I will tell, when I started, there was a big camp, and then I happened to find out that lot many of patients were HCV positive and HIV positive, but they were unaware about the situation that they were suffering from these part of the things. They have the medical facilities at their district headquarter hospitals, but hardly the doctors even encouraged to get into this type of test for these patients. So somewhere or rather, there was a big gap which I found, and I thought of that with a small mind, what could I have done alone? You can just think of, in my position, want to serve a lot of people around, but I don't have as a single doctor when I move on, and I have thought to, and I found that the Satya Sai Seva organization is the best organization who can help me, because I looked for serving the humanity for these social health problems, but faith on the organization was my first commitment as to serve the humanity, because their principle was serve humanity with love and compassion, and I believed in this. That is why I came to the Satya Sai organization for an help, because they are widespread in Orissa to different districts, almost 36 or 33 districts, they have their part of the things. I believed in their Sai sisters and Sai brothers, the Baba's principle within them. That is why I thought, why not to take an advantage of this? So in that way, I will tell, I have always tried to figure out who can be of advantage to this type of public health service. So that was my first guiding force. Why exactly I came to Satya Sai organization for this help. And now the next part, coming together, was a beginning. These all words, no, I never have to think if I don't have time. But yesterday it was a marvelous time for me in the train. So it was coming together was a beginning. Staying together is progress. So now I am in this second stage. That is, staying together is progress, and ultimately working together will be success. So that is what I am still looking for, that one day or rather, what I want, I will never quote it, never ask to Almighty also, never ask to Baba, never ask to organization. I'll just ask, if you have an answer to their sufferings, please answer it.
Wow, that was an awe-inspiring future plan, ma'am. A big round of applause for the beautiful roadmap that ma'am has shown, that working together can get us a huge success. Ma'am, would you give some concluding lines?
I will not give some, I will give many. So,
Sure, ma'am.
So, the biggest gift we are given is the power to touch a life. Do you all agree? Yes, it is not only we doctors, but every mother over here, to every sister over here, and every father who is there in the family. So, is the power to touch a life, to change and make a difference in the circle of life. If we can reach out with our hands, heart and soul, the magic will begin to happen. Do you believe in this? Yes. As the wheel begins to roll, let's turn the wheel together. Alone I can't do. So all humanity thrives. We have the power and the magic to serve and to change lives. I think this has potential meaning to whole of the mass population over here, whoever is sitting. Let us not have just a simple life of suffering, rather than a pain-free quality life for each of the patients, those who are there in their villages or districts. Because hospital will do its service, government will have its own protocol, but each of our individual has some responsibility to get into this part of the things. If any of the sister over here is suffering from, or any of their brother or sister suffering from this type of public health diseases, I would invite them, if they don't feel embarrassed to say about their disease, let them please come up, so that at least the mass community here, they will feel that we have responsibility for these patients over how to combat. Because each one of the sister over here can also donate blood for thalassemia, which is a primary requirement. But maximum population of the person or the public do not know about thalassemia or sickle cell. That is why they don't know that they have to donate about it, donate blood for these patients, because they thrive on blood. So anyone, I can very well invite you, so that if they can say the meaning of this suffering, because to the general public, I don't think most of the people might be aware about this word, sickle cell and thalassemia.
Thank you so much, ma'am. That was a little glimpse of the awareness program that ma'am has been doing through the villages and districts of Odisha. So as we all can see, dear sisters, from profession to passion to pure form of selfless seva. Ma'am, your journey is a true testament of inspiration for me, for every doctor, and for all my sisters present here. Jai Sai Ram.
पुरुषोत्तम गुरु तू, सिद्ध बुद्ध आत्मलिङ्ग शिव तू आत्मलिङ्ग शिव तू
ॐ जय जगदीश हरे स्वामी सत्य साई हरे भक्त जना संरक्षक भक्त जना संरक्षक पति महेश्वरा ॐ जय जगदीश हरे शशिवदना श्रीकरा सर्वा प्राणपते स्वामी सर्वा प्राणपते आश्रित कल्पलतिका आश्रित कल्पलतिका आपदान्धवा ॐ जय जगदीश हरे मातपिता गुरुदैवमु मरि अन्तयु नीवे स्वामी मरि अन्तयु नीवे नाद ब्रह्म जगन्नाथ नाद ब्रह्म जगन्नाथ नागेन्द्रशयना ॐ जय जगदीश हरे ओंकार रूप ओजस्वी हो साई महादेवा सत्य साई महादेवा मंगल आरती अंधुको मंगल आरती अंधुको मंदर गिरिधारी ओम जय जगदीश हरे नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण 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 ओम नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम जय सद्गुरुदेवा नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण 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 ओम नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम जय सद्गुरुदेवा नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण 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 ओम नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम जय सद्गुरुदेवा शांति 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 समस्त लोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्त लोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्त लोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु शांति 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 जय बोलो भगवान श्री सत्य साई बाबा जी की जय।